Hey, what's up guys? Realme already launched the Realme XT smartphone in India and announced in China, and it will be also available in some of the European countries. So after the Redmi Note 8 Pro that went official in China last month, Realme XT will be the second phone to debut as a 64 megapixel camera. But this is not the end. Realme is also planning to launch a Pro version of the Realme XT in December in India, China and other European countries. The just announced Realme XT features a Snapdragon 712 chipset and a 64MP main camera. The event also showed one more thing, was a teaser for the upgraded version of the phone that is scheduled for December. The RMX1991 Realme phone that appeared on China seems to be rumored as Realme XT Pro. There are a couple of differentiating features on the Realme XT Pro compared to its regular edition. The Pro model is expected to come with the Snapdragon 730G with a 32 megapixel selfie camera and may arrive with 30-watt fast charging support. This phone is heading to China since it has been approved by China, but there is no information that when the Realme India is going to launch it in India. But in the recent event, it also revealed that in the month of December, the upgraded version of the Realme XT will be launched. That upgraded version of Realme XT will be Realme XT Pro. There is no information on the pricing of the Realme XT Pro yet, but it is expected that the 8GB plus 128GB internal storage edition of Realme XT Pro is priced around $320 in the international market and 21,000 Indian rupees. So Realme XT will be commanding a costlier price tag. Hopefully its price stays under 20,000 or $300 in the international market. So this is all about the Realme XT Pro. So what price you are expecting about the Realme XT Pro? Please comment in the comment section, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.